Good morning, friends. Today we will cover billing and invoicing. Introduction: SAP ISU billing and invoicing. SAP ISU component is a sales and information system that supports all business processes and utility services of a utility company. You can use ISU for managing and billing residential, commercial, and industrial and prospective customers. These components also allows you to manage and bill customer who receives services, purchase goods, or pay fees and taxes. Billing and invoicing modules explains the process that starts with billing and invoicing and finishes with bills printouts. Here you will also get knowledge of all ISU CCS master data and functions relevant to billing. Detailed analysis of rates and prices modeling is presented in most simplistic way. Following are some of the business processes which can be handled by the module. Billing and invoicing, introduction of billing business scenario, billing in ISU data model, utility industry, term explained. Billing and invoicing, functional scope of the ISU system. So we do the generation, then we do the transmission, distribution, customer service, and billing. Generation. When we talk about the generation, so generation may be your hydropower. You can do the generation through hydropower plant, thermal power plant, or solar power plant, wind power plant. So these are the way through which we do the generation of electricity. If I talk about the we talk about the electricity generation, then we do the transmission through high voltage to reduce the transmission loss. Then we do the distribution to the customer. Same thing we do the generation of your water, then we do the transmission of the water, then we do the supply to the customer. Same thing we do the generation of your gas, then we to the transmission pipeline we give the services to the customer, then we do the distribution. In ICU system, customer relationship management, particular business process, we do the marketing campaigns, all the things we do in ISU system. Then we do the PMMM integration also, because in PMMM, in plant maintenance, we do your all the service related activity like notification order, service order for your meter installation, removal, replacement, or any customer inquiry for that. We create the service order. In material management, we maintain our inventory related data we create material master data, then we maintain the stock, we maintain the goods movement, we create the purchase requisition, purchase order, then we do the invoicing. So all the things we do in material management. So there's a integration with core SAP modules with ISU. In HD also we create the bills and invoice, suppose customer purchase any materials. So utilities company take charges for that. Suppose if utility company provide any services for that services company take the charges that services, we also do bills in the SD. So there's integration with SD and utilities. There's your integration with FI, CRM. So all these are integration is required in SAP utilities and your core SAP modules. Then we do marketing and sales to acquire the customer. So that activities we do in the CRM. Then we create the once we acquire the customer, then we create premise entry, installation services. Then once we do the installation services, once we start the supplying to the customer, then we create the premise billing, service billing, then invoicing. Then once we send invoice, we do the bill and invoice to the customer, and then we send invoice to the customer. When customer do the payment against that invoice, then we do the posting that payment in your contract account receivable and account payable. We maintain meter management and device management in ISU and PM and MM. Then in work management, all the service related activity we do in the work management, like service notification, service order, integration module. When we talk about the SAP business partner, so customer care and services, then integration module, we create a device, we maintain the meters. So all the meter related activity we do in the device management modules, and there is integration with your asset management, plant maintenance, material management. Then we do the installation services. So integration with your material management, plant maintenance, customer service, sales and distribution, controlling. So all these integration we do. Then contract account receivable and account payable, FICA. So from FICA to FI accounting, we do the posting of the summary. So that is your integration with account. Contact AR and AP. Then billing and invoicing, we do the integration with sales and distribution also, because we do the charges for the some services. We do the integration with external sales system also if there is any available integration. Then we maintain a premise entry, external premise entry system. We do the integration with device management to GIS, CAD, SCADA, because in the mostly SCADA is used in your power generation sector, mostly at the power generation power plant. So all the data we maintain through the device management. In device management, we maintain your energy data management. In energy data management, we maintain your all the interval meters readings, and we do the RTP billings, real time pricing for the intervals. So all the activity we do. So my friends, please like, share and subscribe my channels, so you'll get all the billing and invoicing related knowledge, which will help you to make career in SAP ISU billing and invoicing. If you want to make your career in SAP ISU billing and invoicing, if you are an end user or professionals, and you want to explore the knowledge in SAP ISU, so this video will help you to acquire the knowledge. Thanks my friends the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you again.